Believe me, I only you get that extraordinary way. Got to be next year every single day. You do something that I just can't explain. Wanna take a chance and tell you what you want for me. Ooh, I love you so. Just look in my eyes and tell you where it to go. Yeah. Ooh, I love you so. Look in your eyes and tell you where it to go. I just want you to know. Please notice I always be around with hearing you not to lose. Now I'll say don't think for a minute. Just leave or change the road yourself. Ooh, I love you so. Just look in my eyes to tell you where you to go. Yeah. Ooh, I love you so. Look in their eyes to tell you where it to go. I just want you to know I love you so. Just look in your eyes to tell you where it to go. Ooh, I love you so. Okay, thank you po. Back po dun sa DJ natin mabait at wapong-wapo pa. Back to you. Salamat po sa mga class. Thank you.
Ano lalaruin mo, Forbidden? Mukhang wala rito yung inaasinta mo, ah. Hindi ba nakikita yung inaasinta mo? At mukhang nakikipaglaro ng taguan sa'yo. Ayan. At ang hirap sa chatroom pag wala yung inaasinta mo, eh, di ba? Kaya mag-BBRB ka na lang. Ayan. Meron nga pong kasabihan dito. Kita mo naman si Dinah. Thank you po, Miss Dinah, sa iyong pag-awit. At hindi ko malaman si Dinah kung kumain na o bagong kain. At may kasabihan nga po rito sa 12. Kapag daw po ang babae nag-BRB, sigurado kung hindi ko kakain yun, lalamon. Yan lang naman po yung trabaho ng mga yan, eh. Pag nag-BRB mga yan. Pagka nag-BRB ang mga babae, kung hindi kakain, lalamon mga yan. Ayan. At yung mga lalaki naman po, pag nag-BRB, kung hindi maliligo, magsasalsal. Yan. Yan po trabaho ng mga lalaki rito. Kaya ako, BRB muna ako, ha? Kaya si Forbidden, kaya nag-BBRB yan, eh. Alam ko na gagawin mo, eh. Gawain ko rin yan, eh. Okay po, ang susunod nating singer ay wala pong iba kundi si Miss Isa. Sabi niya maglalaro daw siya, eh. Okay, ama. Itay lang, ayoko ng ama. Gusto ko itay. Hindi pa nakikita isa akong ID yung itay. Papasok ko rin yun dito. Okay, Miss Isa, if you're ready na po, please, grab the mic.
Ayan. Ayan, accept na akong anak. Itay na lang daw. O, di ba? Hindi na ama. Itay. Para sa inyong dalawa to. Ni Inay. Inay Yuri. Ayan. Sana makuha ko yung tono neto. Kasi ngayon lang yung kakantahin, eh. Promise. Ganon. The night ikaw ang feel with God. Now all is my life filled with tears. I didn't count on the lonely hours when memories can feel. I never never thought I'd see the day when I could throw my sorrow away. But then you came in and showed me the way. You have made all the signs disappear. You changed my life in a moment, and I'll never be the same again. You changed my life in a moment, and I'll never understand. With a touch of your hand, in a moment of time, all my sorrow is gone. Ayan, sing-song to ng bagong lovers. Ay! Ay, ay, ay. Yes, you changed your life in your moment. I never thought that I could change. You changed so much in many ways. Ingay, daming nagdaan. Babasong. To see that I feel the same. You changed my life in a moment, and I'll never be the same again. You changed my life in a moment, and it's hard for me to understand. With a touch of your hand, in a moment of time, all my sorrow is gone. Yes, you changed my life. I'll never be the same. You changed my life in a moment, and it's hard for me to understand. Ayan, you changed my life. Ano yan? You changed my life in a moment. Ayan, bigla-bigla po na bago ang buhay niyong dalawa. Bakit sis? Di ba inay? Inay naman eh. Inay, acknowledge mo na. Ayan. Thanks, inay. Ayan, si Itay po. Itay, babaho na ho ako. Babaho na ho ako.
Okay, at thank you very much sa iyo, Miss Isa, sa iyong dedicated song, at talagang bagay na bagay po sa amin, at how lovely and how sweet naman ang song na dedication mo sa amin, at You Changed My Love for a Moment. Tama na ba yun? Ano man title? Paki-type nga po ang title, Miss Yuri, para ma-download ko sa YouTube, para every night bago ako matulog patutugtog